God, good morning. It's the first day of June, and it actually was some sun out. Going to look at the Bronx bombshells. Look at them. The Bronx bombshells that rain. Look at them. Look how big they got. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning, gorgeous. Oh, look at this one. Oh, and this one is already bearing fruit. Oh my God, look at how big these babies got. Good morning, gorgeous. Yes. Good morning. Good morning, girl. You bearing fruit. Good morning. Good morning, gorgeous. Have a hug. Can I have a hug? Can I have a hug? Thank you. Good morning, gorgeous. Look at you. Ooh, look how much is in the neighbor's yard. Whoa. Look how much of this tree is in the neighbor's. Oh my God. What? What? Oh my goodness. Bronx baby girl. These must be seeds. God, these things are gonna grow everywhere. Good morning, gorgeous. Good morning, gorgeous. Something just hit me in the head. Good morning, gorgeous.